Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our WinCC RT SCADA, which means WinCC Runtime SCADA. So in this video, we are going to create a security for our SCADA screen. So first of all, you will see I already created a security screen, and you will see here is my main screen. And you will also see I also created a security buttons there. And these all uh, my simulation, which is PLC sim, I am going to connect it with my factory IO because we need a communication to show everything. So let's go to my scenes and check my scale value. Going to connect it. Now I'm going to show you how you create a security. First of all, you will see in your WinCC RT project, you will go to user administration, and you will see that we have administrator and another has as a user. So you will see that, and you will see administrator groups, and we have two groups. So first group is administrator group and second group is an user groups. So you will see that we give a user administration. Now I am going to create user. So first of all, we have first user, which is called administrator. I am going to name it my name, which is Shani, and I am going to select a password, which is also a password, and password like that. Now I am going to create a user. So what I need for a user, I am going to name it a new, and I am going to select a password, also a password, same password, and password like that. So you will see that administrator group have all access. It will monitor, it will operate, and user group have only one access, which is operate. So I think that's it in our user administration. Now we are going to our security, and I am going to drag and drop that component security, users and security, to there. And now I need some buttons which I think available in it if we want to add some users. So I think I need some buttons which I think make me help. Now we are going to check a program is available. Sorry, I think make it down like that, and we are going to events and add functions. In the security, we see where is system, you will see user administration. So we are going to select a log on. It is directly a log on, but I think we don't need that. We need a directly log off. I'm just name it a log off for logging off. Log off. And the other one, I'm going to create a new one, which is called I think a get username. Not, I think we don't need to export import anything. I'm just do that. Only log off button is enough. We are going to, you will understand after you using something, using that securities. Now I'm going to my main screen and I'm going to select a trend button, and in the trend button I give security only authorizations to user administrator. Also have recipes. I am going to authorize to user administration and this, and I think something more. I need a TINTD. Also have a user administrator, and user administrator. I think everything is finished. Now I am going to save project and start a runtime screen. You will see it is connected. I am going to make it online, and now you will see that it will ask me a username and password. So first of all, Shani, and password, I think that is incorrect, and the large. You will see now I added I login as a user administrator. I think sorry. Now I think we need to go to security. First we need to log off. Then I click the screen. I think I log in. I think I create some problems to users. I'm going to make it a small. Password is also a small. Like that. New to new. Password is also. Password is also small. New is administrator group. I think I need to change Shani to administrator and new to user. Like that. That is our problem. Now we are going to again main screen and start a runtime. Now I'm going to access that. I'm going to name it Shani and password. Why? I think I need to access to a different name. It's always asking me to log in. Why? Let's us check. Go to user. Everything is perfect. I will make it simple. So password, password, Shani to 1 and new to 2. I think that number is, I think, now created. Password, 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 password. Now I'm going to save project, compile that. I think I'm going to forget the compile. Now we are going to start a runtime screen. So let's check again. Shani, and Shani is our administrator. 2.0, you will see that. 1.0, you will see that. And 0 also. Now I'm going to set a set point which is 5.0, so you will see that. If I'm going to trends, available is trend, alarms, available is alarms, recipes, available is security, available in security. Now I'm going to security and log off that. So you will see I log off. Now I'm going to change that and access as a new password. Now I have an operator, so I don't change that. I only change that one. So you will see 8.0. So you will see I access new user access. If I am going to recipes, you will see new don't have an access to recipes and new don't have access to trend. So I think that's it. That's how we are going to create security for our WinCC runtime SCADA. So I think in the next video we will discuss about more. So I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and click the bell icon. And don't forget to subscribe and comments if you don't understand anything. And thank you very much again.